Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Hi everyone, I hope you are well and safe. And I'm back, Mrs. Theo Joyce. And guess what today? I'm so excited because today I just got a box. It's a huge box from Usborne Books, which is so popular and award-winning book publishers for almost 40 years. So this business opportunity is fun, flexible, and hugely rewarding. So you can see my excitement. And then, I have a full-time job, but I also add this as a side hustle, having an online business, selling books to parties, fairs, and other events. I can do it online and I can do it on my free time, and I am the boss. So do it whenever you can, or during your spare time, or while you're sitting. But if you're really interested to know more about it, you can check out the link that I will put on the description below, and I can help you with that if you want to be an Usborne independent organizer as well. So for now, I'm gonna open this big box that I got. So I got this big box here. Yeah, it arrived today. So I did the sign up and then signed the agreement, emailed them back. So it was approved. So now I got my kit in here. So let us find out what's inside this big box in front of me. So I was wondering, where's my box or where's my kit? Why it's not arriving yet? So it's been like a week now. So all of a sudden the doorbell rang, and then I saw a man carrying a big box on the monitor, so I knew what it is. So let's do the unboxing. And oh, I'm gonna show you. Hold it. Okay guys, so let's check what's inside the box. Wow, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Oh gosh, this really looks so good. Ang ganda. It's Pullback Busy Train book. Oh, it has a small toy in there. Wow, this is really exciting. It has a pullback train that can goes around here on the tracks. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Kids will love this book. Wow. So what else is in here? Oh, sci-fi and fantasy stories. Oh, yeah, I feel like I'm a kid again looking at these books. These books are so good. Wow, Little Sticker Dolly Dressing, Woodland Fairy. So yes, I'm just going to show you one by one each. Magic painting book. Whoa, the magic painting book. This is like there's a brush in here. Just dip it in the water and it will reveal colorful designs or paint on these pictures. And there's Junior Illustrated Science Dictionary. It's really a helpful book for kids. Yeah, here you go. There's also Wipe Clean Alphabet. There's a pen. Oh, so the kids could trace in here. They could write it and it can be wiped out. So it could be reused. And then there's Living in Space. It's also a science book. Oh. Whoa. And then there's Looking After Your Mental Health. Wow, this looks interesting. See, actually this month is Looking After Your Mental Health month. So there's also The Invisible Man. See, it's cool. Anisha. Wow, there's loads here. Wow, The Ant and the Grasshopper. That's Not My Narwhal. So, part of the That's Not My series. So it has a touch feel things in there. So it has a sparkly bits in there. So really interesting for your kids or toddlers. And The Pieces of Ourselves. This book I think are for young adults or teens. What is written there? When you're falling apart, can you ever fall in love? The Pieces of Ourselves. It's the UK's answer to Rainbow Rowell Lucy Porry. It's nice. What else in here? Feels like Christmas. So this is the peep inside the zoo. Oh yeah, it's a nice peep inside pages here. Ooh, look at those lion and snoozing. See, these are with a water splash. What's inside here? Ooh, there's a baby elephant in there. So there's more, yeah, peep inside books. Yeah. Nice. On a pillow. Some bedtime stories. Yeah. And look, this is one of my favorite fingerprint activities. This is dinosaurs. Roar. Nice. So yeah, you can play around with this. Colors here. It's the fingers to do those spots here. Just have to press your fingers, then yeah, it can easily be washed out. One of my favorite books here. Oops, hold it. So there's one more book here, the biggest one I think. That's it. See Inside Space. So it's also a flap book, but it's about science. So the Big Bang, Theory. So yeah, science exploration in space. So there's small bits of information, but will not overwhelm your children. So it's nice. Ooh. Let's talk more about the details of this book. I'll just open it and look what's inside this box. And then, ooh, yay! The complete list or catalog for 2020. So this is the complete list. But as for my link, and I could send you the digital catalog, so you can check as well if it's out of stock or not. And you can also get what's with the special offers. So at least you'll have an idea of what books could you see in the website or in the catalog. It's over 2,500 titles. And then I have this is stationaries to start with. Like when you do a book fair or and an exhibit, or if you do a book party, you can write on this for your orders, and I can do the ordering for you. You can get a free delivery or a big discounts or free gifts. Ooh. And flyers. So yep. So these are the flyers or the books that's coming out, the new titles, like for Christmas books. Perfect. Christmas is coming, so it's perfect gift for your child or for a child. Sorry. So there's one more. The general knowledge picture book. It's a picture book. Ooh, it's a big one. Look at that. So it's like trivia of general knowledge. Trivial. Did you know I made 90 self-portraits? So yeah, some small bits of information that's really good. Trivia. Yeah, so let's count how many books have I got in here. So let's see. Okay, so let's count again. How many books have I got today? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh gosh, I've got 18 books. So see how much books do I have in here? It's worth 150 pounds. So I have something to start with and to keep me going. And if you want to know more about it, you can join my team and I can tell you more about Usborne books at home. That's really, really good way to spend your extra time at home. Just sitting in front of your phone or in your computer, do on your spare time, have some fun, and here help people as well and schools to get their books and top up their libraries, or get some free books. Simply get free books or discount for the books of your kids. So that's it for now. I'll talk about more about the books. This is just to see what's inside the box. Okay, see you later. Bye.